All right. Zx2 Burnout, take one, maybe. Yeah, that'll be the view. That'll be the view. Right there. There we go. All right. Zx2 Burnout, take one. Good God, we'll find out what happens. We'll see what happens. I think that that'll work. All right, I think that's gonna work. So that right there, I gave just enough resistance. These didn't really do a whole lot. All right, let's get that one wheel peel, baby. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Smoked her up a little bit. All right, let's try that one more time. One wheel peel, baby. Oh, they moved it out of the way. All right, well, that was fun. Yeah. One wheel peel, baby. Not too bad. Not too bad.